I spy with my little eye Revuelto and a wiener dog. You want to get out, don't you? Alright, we'll let you out. 1 second. There you go. Alright. GTS next to GT3. That's nicer. And McLaren's and Revuelto with dogs. This is going to be fun. Okay, you don't know what's going on. Alright, I'm going to try this again. Let's check out the cars. Lovely Gen 2 R8. White on white on white. It's very interesting. The side blade. Kind of cool. Looks new. Newly registered. M3 and GT3RS's ×2. Should I have kept the GT4? Yeah. That's it. How you doing? Alright, you want to walk? What? I don't think that's Hyundai's meant to be here. Alright. Lovely with Boston wheels. Looks like. Lambo. This was here last time. And I should be using my nice camera, but again, dogs today, so hence the normal camera. Yeah, what do you think? You like it? You don't care. You just want to walk around in circles. You just want to walk. Okay. There's a carbon fiber car in the middle of that intersection. Alright. Corvettes. McLaren we know. Dan's McLaren. Keeping it clean. Nice. Alright, now we check GT4RS. Up here. Very nice. And also the 997 back there. Okay. Looks like Steve. Today. Got a lovely turbo. Looks like Jeremy's hair. Jerem's DNA. Oh, there. Oh. I got the dog today. Hi. Alright, that was Jerem's DNA. Man, the myth, the legend, recording artist. Alright, let's check out this Boxster. Apparently, he knows this because it's his boss's car. This is really nicely done for a 986. It's got the carbon fiber and Momo wheel. It's very nice. Way more mods than my car has. Yellow tint. Okay. Vora GT. 993 back there that we saw. We'll come back to that later. Back to the right. Alright. Let's keep going. New cars have come. We got the GT4RS has moved. Carrera T back there. That's right. Oh yes. Dan's 600 LT. Oh, they brought donuts today. Oops, where are you going? Sorry. You're inspecting? Why don't you inspect? No inspection? Okay, there we go. That was the inspection. Where are you going? Nice. M3. Very clean. Come on. Nice.
still got the factory downside is the factory.
I don't know where. Oh, Kobe Steve's over here.
Really? The other one over there.
Gallardo, we know. Revuelto. Ah, carbon fiber wheels. Crazy. Beautiful GT3 991. And Carrera 2. There's the 993. Lexus. That's it. Let's see what else comes. You're in my shadow. Alright, yes. Stop, stop. So nice. Lovely 512. I think it's a 512. SV. Pre-inspection? What are you inspecting? It's a Corvette. Alright. Another Revuelto Lamborghini. Spider. Cool. Man, it's getting hot today. Alright, 360. Beautiful 360. Challenge grill. Ferrari 488s. So many people here. Wow. We're gonna walk it. It's like straight up car week. Alright. Too loud for you. Back. Alright, lots of exotics today. There's more coming in. Straight up car week. Let's check out the 360 actually. Let's check out the 360. What else is moving? Beautiful. Does not have the carbon fiber. Yeah, we're both like, this is like straight up car week vibes today.
It is, yeah.
This is pretty nuts today.
Like the Starbucks?
Yeah, like for this event, this is kind of like Exotics on Cannery Row in Walnut Creek Phil's Coffee. Sorry, my dog really wants to follow you for some reason.
Oh,
Hi. Okay, let's go over here. Good girl.
All the cats.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what else we got coming in today. And this Percy just looks gorgeous. Okay. Alright, and we keep finding cars that we haven't seen yet. Apparently now it's getting more crowded here. Very nice. Redwood MR2 action. Very nice. Heck yeah. That was the car. You've had about enough, but there are more people still coming in. So crazy.